The effects of bilging and permeability on the stability of the ship. Bilging is water entering a compartment below the waterline, causing loss of buoyancy, deeper draft, and shifts in the center of gravity and buoyancy, all of which reduce stability, lower freeboard, and may cause listing or excessive rolling. Permeability is the percentage of compartment's volume that can be filled with water. Higher permeability, empty spaces 95 to 100%, means more water enters, leading to greater stability loss. Lower permeability, solid cargo 40 to 60%, means little water enters, so stability is affected only slightly. Bilging reduces stability and higher permeability make this effect worse, while lower permeability minimizes it.